Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to do a weekly market breakdown from the 1st of June to the 5th of June. Okay, thank you very much. If you're new here, my name is Humphreys Trades. I'll be doing a weekly market breakdown every early in the week. So without further ado, let's start with the DXY. As the DXY, this is a weekly time frame. The DXY, as you can see now, DXY is still in a corrective phase in a weekly time frame. So we are still waiting for the break of this weekly high or this weekly low to see how the price will hold for the rest of the year. So moving to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we are recently we were in a bullish trend. We are in this bullish trend, but also price also started to pull back to this 50% golden fib zone. So it is now likely to see now more bullish push to continue towards the downside. This is because still price. So this this daily demand still holds. So we are still expecting to see more bullish push towards the upside until this weekly demand fails. Okay, moving to also to the 4-hour time frame. In a 4-hour time frame, um, we had a very nice upward move, upward trend in the 4-hour time frame. Early in the first half of the May. So in the second half of May, we have experienced a very corrective phase when the price has reached this uh, 4 hours supplies. So at the moment, I'm still expecting to see more some a bit a downward push to mitigate this 4-hour demands down here, and then later to move to to see the price moving to the upside. This is because as you can see here closely, we have seen that last week price has managed to break this 4-hour low, and now leaving out these 4-hour supplies. So these are more vulnerable for being mitigated later this week before price uh, continue to move to the downside. So what am I expecting this week? I'm expecting to see now price. I'm expecting to see now price will reach this 50% golden fib zone here, like this, to mitigate these areas before seeing the price now to move continue to drop to the downside. So this came moving to the euro USD. This is a weekly time frame of the euro USD. We can see price was still in a corrective phase and being crossed above these highs here above here, and the price also has managed to break this weekly low. So in the weekly time frame, I'm still expecting to see now more bears to take place to the downside, since this weekly supply still holds above here. So what am I expecting to see in the weekly time frame? That to see more bears to push price to the downside. So what am I expecting? My expectation in a weekly time frame. So moving to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, you can see now price after the price has mitigated this 50% golden fib zone above here. As you can see here, price has rejected this area here, has rejected here, and now price has started to pull back to mitigate, and now has mitigated this daily demand. Expect to see sellers continue to take price to the downside. So after this daily rejection of the candle, so as you can see here, now price has started to create a a bearish daily down momentum. So that's what I'm expecting in a daily time frame. So this week, I'm still expecting to see how the price will react at this daily POI. That's what I'm expecting to see. So moving to the 4 hour time frame. So in a 4 hour time frame, you can see now last week, the second half of the May, we had a very corrective phase here, and last week on Friday, price has managed to break this 4 hour high. This is also a 4 hour low, right? So this breaker doesn't mean that it doesn't confirm that we are now in a bullish momentum. As you can see here, we had a very nice downward move towards down here. So this area we have imbalances, and this is my 50% golden fib zone. So what am I expecting here? After this break of high of this 4 hour high, I'm still expecting to see and the mitigation of this 50% golden fib zone. What am I expecting to see now? To see in a 4 hour time frame that maybe, which is now likely to see now, this 50% golden fib zone, price will react from it, and now I'm expected to see now bearish push toward the downside. This because 50, we have still uh, imbalances are inside here, and the 4 hour supplies are still there. So it is now likely to expect to see no more down push later this year. So that's all in a USD. Hey, this is a pound dollar. This is the weekly time frame. The pound dollar. We have still the same case. The same case as USD. We have still prices is still in a very corrective phase in a weekly time frame. So moving to the daily time frame. In a daily time frame, as you can see now, price recently had this bullish move, which was was which was like a pullback towards this supply, daily supplies and weekly supplies. So this pullback might be over. Now we might expect to see now more bearish push towards the downside. This is because uh, price has already managed to break this daily low, and this goes on a new daily high, and still we have this daily supplies above here. So after this break, now prices now experience the a pullback move towards this daily supplies. So this pullback, it is a good sign that we might see more sellers later in the future. So if the price has mitigated this area, we might expect it to see more strong downward push towards this level down here. So that is what I'm expecting to see in a pound dollar. That's a daily time frame. So moving to the 4 hour time frame. So in the 4 hour time frame, as you can see now in the 4 hour time frame, after we had this downward bearish move from above here, and now the price has reacted inside this 4 hour supply and inside 50% golden fib zone. So this, it is still my good conference that we might expect to see more sellers in a pound at moment. So now, on the last week, as we have seen, price has rejected this zone and moved and take the price toward the downside. But still, there's no candle which has managed to cross up uh, below this low here, below this low. So I'm still waiting for this low to be taken, so as I could confirm now bears are now ready to take price to the downside. So at the moment now price, it is now pulling back for toward this area here. So what am I waiting for? That's to see how the price will react at this region here. So in the lower time frame, if I see bullish conferences, then I'll continue taking the long trades since this four-hour demand holds, because now it might take me to might take it might price later might take be taken up until up this daily extremely supplies, and now then sellers might take down price from up there. So that's what I'm expecting to see in a pound dollar. Okay, let us now look at the gold as well. So this is a weekly time from the gold of the gold chart. Um, on the weekly time frame, still gold it is in a strong bullish move, and this strong bullish move it is still favored that now this was just like a pullback, because as you can see here, there's no any candle that has dare to cross below this daily demand. So at the moment we had this very nice pin bar rejection from this zone, and also last week we revealed also a nice pin bar rejection from this zone. So it is more likely to see now. Later, the price will likely to move to the upside. So this is what I'm expecting to see in a gold in a weekly time frame. So in a daily time frame, we can see now price was recently in a downward collective move in a daily time frame. Now, right, to mitigate these extremely daily demands. So at the moment in the daily time frame, what are we seeing here? That we had this daily high, and also we had this daily low, right? So there is no any candle that has managed to break this daily low. So right, so at moment I'm still expecting to see more push at the moment, but until these highs are taken, I'm still expecting to see bush move until we mitigate this daily supplies here. So in a week, in a daily time frame, I'm still in a bearish until the these daily supplies fails. So in a 4 time frame, we are in this downward push. We are in a bearish downward order flow, right? So, and recently we had this 4-hour range, for high, 4-hour high, and this 4-hour low. And now price has no candle has managed to cross above this 4-hour high. So at the moment, I'm still expecting to see now. I'm still expecting to see a bearish move toward these areas at the moment. And so I will consider looking for longs if if okay, I'm considering to look for longs and gold if this highs fails. So if this demands if this demand holds and break these highs, then I'll considering to take a upward push to the upside. So based on following order flow, I'm still expecting to see bearish move push to the downside. Okay, thank you very much for your time. So if you like this video, make sure you like this video. Comment if you have any idea. What will you trade? What do you expect to see what next in the market this week? Um, Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe so that you never miss the next video. So all in all, wish you all the best from this week. I'll see you in the next video.